Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Gladtop Cordless screwdriver with 12-volt system. It's a cordless drill set with 2 batteries and 34 pieces. 13 Newton meter maximum torque, 2 speed option, and 18 plus 1 torque levels. LED light for DIY and drilling walls, wood and metal. We have a 2 variable speed and 18 plus 1 clutch. The cordless screwdriver is equipped with 2 variable speeds for process work. Low speed from 0 up to 500 rounds per minute for screwdriving, and high speed mode from 0 to 1500 rounds per minute for drilling. The cordless screwdriver set will be a good partner in our daily DIY life. We have an ergonomic design. The 12-volt cordless drill offers us a comfortable balance and soft grip. It weighs only 0.97 kilogram with battery to reduce the fatigue when working for a long time. A built-in light-emitted diode light and the power indicator enable us to work even in the dark areas and see the real-time performance, allowing us to change the battery in time. We have forward and reverse control and 13 Newton meter torque. The forward and reverse option, which you can control with a switch, allows us to either screw or remove bits for our purpose. With a maximum torque of 13 Newton meter, the drill can easily meet a wide range of requirements when drilling holes and screws on wood, metal and plastic. We have 2 batteries and quick charge. The cordless screwdriver comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries with 1500 mAh and 1 quick charger. This giving us enough power to do all the work. With the additional battery, we can easily change an empty battery during operation, so that the drill is constantly supplied with power. We should note we unplug the battery after fully charged to extend the battery life. And 34 pieces bit set and carrying bag included, because it comes with 34 accessories to meet the needs of the most DIY jobs. We will get 1 cordless drill, 2 1.5 ampere batteries and other necessary accessories, 34 pieces in total. We also get a sturdy case to keep the drill and all accessories organized. This is perfect for beginners as well as good craftsmen. The model is DCC002, no load speed, O for up to 400 rounds per minute and O up to 1350 rounds per minute. The torque is 13 Newton meter. The torch gear is 18 plus 1 and the clamping diameter is 0.8 up to 10 millimeter. The battery capacity 1500 mAh. We have an LED work light and the charging time of it is around about 2 hours. We have all what we need on this tool. It's easy to operate, it's easy to use, and it makes a good job. Always remove the battery before inserting or remove bits. We select the proper shape and size bit for a job. To open the chuck jaws, we turn the sleeve in the counterclockwise direction. When using the drill bits, we allow the bit to strike the bottom of the chuck. We center the bit in the chuck jaws and lift about 1/16 inches off the bottom. When using the screwdriver bit, we insert the bit far enough for the chuck jaws to grip the hex of the bit. To close the chuck jaws, we turn the sleeve in a clockwise direction. The bit is secure when the chuck makes a ratcheting sound and the sleeve cannot be rotated any further. To remove the bit, we turn the sleeve in the counterclockwise direction. A ratcheting sound may be heard when the chuck is opened or closed. This noise is part of the locking feature and does not indicate a problem with the chuck's operation. Then we have a drill or a drive action mode. To use the drilling mode, we rotate the torque selector color until the drill symbol appears in line with the arrows. And to use the driving mode, we rotate the torque selector color until the desired clutch setting appears in line with the arrow. We can make a torch color setup. That means the clutch setting is 1 up to 3 for 10 to 12 Newton meter. Small screws in softwood, for example. Or we choose 4 up to 6. These are 13 up to 15 Newton meter. 7 to 9 clutch setting is 16 to 19 Newton meter. 10 to 13 is 20 up to 24 Newton meter. This is for medium screws in softwood or small screws in hardwood. Then it comes to 14 up to 17. This is for 25 up to 28 Newton meter. And the 18 clutch setting. This is for 13 Newton meter. For large screws in softwood, medium screws in hardwood, or large screws in hardwood with pilot hole. Because the settings are only a guide, of course, we're using a piece of scrap material to test the different clutch settings before driving screws into the workpiece. Then we control the switch may be set to 3 positions: forward, reverse, and lock. We do to a lock-out mechanism. The control switch can only be adjusted when the on-off switch is not pressed. We always allow the motor to come to a complete stop before using the control switch. For forward, that means clockwise rotation, we push in the control switch from the right side of the tool. We check the direction of rotation before we use it. For reverse, counterclockwise rotation, we push in the control switch from the left side of the tool. We check the direction of the rotation before use, of course. To lock the trigger, we push the control switch to the center position. The trigger will not work while the control switch is in the center locked position. Always lock the trigger or remove the battery pack before performance maintenance, changing accessories, storing the tool, and any time the tool is not in use. You can see it is a really good device for DIY jobs at home. This is the Gladtop, this Nerd Power Tools 12.6 volt cordless drill driver. It's a screwdriver which comes with 2 batteries and torch indicator system, 30 Newton meter total, 2 speed option, and 18 plus 1 torque level. A light emitted diode light for DIY and drilling walls, wood and metal and so many more. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.